Hello, let's check out customized client portal terms and conditions. When your guests access their client portals, all they have to do is accept the email invitation, and that will grant them access to their portal. In some cases, you may want to prompt the client with specific terms and conditions to which they must first read and click to accept. If you need custom terms and conditions, simply go to the Settings menu in the top right corner and click on the Preferences tab. Here you'll see under the Preferences section the Portal Terms and Conditions editor. We can customize this text to be any language that we want your users to agree to prior to accessing their client portal. You can then check this box on or off to set whether or not you want to require guest acceptance of these terms and conditions before they can access the portal. Let's take a look and see what this terms and conditions prompt looks like from the guest's perspective. Here we are logged in as the guest Luke Schaufacher and invite him to a new portal. Now we will return to our portal dashboard and select the portal for Sharon Inkman. Now we can invite Luke to access Sharon's portal and also invite Sharon Inkman as well. Great! Now, from Luke's perspective, he would have just received an email where he can click the link to accept this invitation, or if he was already logged into Zappa client portals, he could visit the dashboard to see that he's been invited to a portal. He can then decide to accept this invitation to Sharon's portal. Now that Luke has accepted the invitation, he's not yet opened Sharon's portal. The first time he opens this portal, he'll be prompted to read and accept the terms and conditions we had set earlier. These are the custom terms and conditions we edited earlier in our settings under the Preferences section. These terms explain the user responsibility of data and anything else you may need your guests to agree to. Luke then reads this and accepts that he agrees to these terms and conditions. What's nice about this is we can view this acceptance in the audit history for the portal, where it not only shows that Luke accepted these terms, but it will keep a copy for your records of what the language said at the time. The history also tracks the email address he was logged in under and what the exact terms and conditions language was accepted at that time. This gives you a full and detailed history, especially if you ever change your terms and conditions in the future to what the guest read at the time and what language they actually accepted at that moment.